In this video, we will show you what really matters when it comes to meaningful measurements for room evaluation. First, let's address the biggest challenge. The acoustics of a real room are not the same everywhere. Especially in small and medium-sized rooms, room modes, varying absorption, early reflections, or asymmetrical furnishings lead to clearly noticeable local differences. For this reason, a single measurement is often not sufficient to reliably assess the actual room acoustics. For professional and reliable measurements, multiple measurement positions in the room are therefore recommended and, in many standards, practically required. Usually, an average is then calculated from all individual measurements to obtain a realistic evaluation of the room. This is exactly where X-1 RTA demonstrates its particular strengths. In the measurement section, you can conveniently collect and manage any number of individual measurements. You can easily switch between microphones, start the measurement, or label measurements individually, for example with the respective microphone position. By selecting any measurements afterwards, X-1 RTA automatically creates averages displayed numerically, in tables, and graphically. The averaged results can then be used directly for automatic room evaluation, professional reports, or comparison measurements. This way, you always keep an overview and reach reliable results much faster. Speaking of comparisons, X-1 RTA features a special comparison view for before and after analyses. Any measurement series or their averages can be taken directly from the measurement section and compared with each other. This allows you to immediately see, both numerically and graphically, how effective your acoustic optimization measures actually are. This way, room acoustics become not only measurable, but also objectively comprehensible. Another major advantage of X-1 RTA is its support for measurement series with multiple microphones. This saves valuable time and significantly simplifies the entire measurement process. Position the microphones in advance at the various measurement points in the room. Up to 10 microphones are supported. Then, in X-1 RTA, select the first microphone and start the measurement. After completion, simply switch to the next microphone. Repeat the process until all positions have been recorded. Afterwards, as usual, calculate the average of all measurements. The big advantage, the time-consuming repositioning of a single microphone between measurements, is completely eliminated. To conclude, here are some important recommendations for professional room assessments. Typical number of measurement positions. Small rooms or living spaces, at least 3 measurement positions. Meeting rooms, classrooms, or studios often require 4 to 6 positions. Large rooms or halls require correspondingly more measurement points. If an omnidirectional speaker is not available, multiple positions with a single speaker are also used to capture the room characteristics even more precisely. Now let's talk about proper microphone positioning. For meaningful results, microphones should not be placed directly against walls or in room corners, but should be evenly distributed within the relevant listening area and represent typical listening positions. Ideally, the microphone height should be at ear level, about 1.2 meters for a seated position and about 1.7 meters for a standing position. The recommended minimum distance between the loudspeaker and the microphone is automatically calculated for you by X-1 RTA. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any questions, we are always happy to help or try out the free demo version today. X-1 RTA, precise RTA measurements, professional acoustic room evaluation, and sound level measurement in a single application.